Hey guys, so I assume you're clicking on this video because you want to know how to make your own version of ChatGPT. So that's what we're going to be doing. I've made a couple of these and they're really fun to make and very useful, and you might be able to make some money out of them soon when the ChatGPT Store opens. So this will be like a little creative guide on how to get you started, so let's do it. The first thing that we might want to do is click on a ChatGPT chat and try to come up with some ideas. One way we can do that is to think of common industries, because common industries, they all include things you need to get done, things that could be automated. So let's ask ChatGPT for some respective industries. Give me a list of industries: agriculture, automotive, education, retail, insurance. Now let's choose one of these. Let's do a consulting GPT. Now you're going to want to come over here to explore, click explore. And by the way, you do need ChatGPT Premium to do this. So click explore, and now we're going to click create a GPT, a customized version of GPT for a specific purpose. Now we have two tabs on the left pane, create and configure. These are both going to be the same thing, but create tab is going to help you prompt the GPT builder to build it, rather than here on the configure where you can just type in what you want your AI to do. So to make it easier, instead of typing direct instructions, let's just speak with the GPT builder here and let it know what we want to do. Hi, I want to make a consulting GPT. And let's think, what do we want it to consult on? Do we want to consult on everything? Do we want it to be a consultant for soda can marketing? I want to make a consultant GPT. It should consult on, let's see, the best marketing. It should consult on, let's see, the best marketing strategies. All right, so now we're making a GTP consultant. And let's read this. Hi, I want to help you build a new GPT. You can say something like, make a creative who helps generate visuals for new products, or make a software engineer who helps format my code. So again, we've told it to make a consulting GPT. It should consult on best marketing strategies. A great choice, it says. A consulting GPT focused on marketing strategies will be a valuable tool. Let's give it a name. How about Market Maven? That name sounds great. Market Maven. And now you can see down here, it also provided on the right-hand pane preview, I provide expert marketing strategy consultations. This is your description, and your title will be up here. Of course, this circle is your profile picture. These four things down here are conversation starters for your GPT, and those will update as you go. Sometimes you'll get an error, but no worries, it's still generating. I don't know why it does that. So yeah, now let's wait for it to generate the profile picture. And it looks great. Here's the initial profile picture for Market Maven. It features a sleek and modern logo with a stylized M intertwined with a digital market graph. Do you like this design, or would you like a new one? These looks great. And of course, you can tell it looks bad. You can change the name right here on the custom, the manual settings, description. You can also click on the profile picture and upload one, or use Dolly to regenerate. I'm glad you like the design. Now let's refine Market Maven's role and goals. Can you tell me more about the types of marketing challenges and scenarios you expect users to present Market Maven? Could you tell me about the types of marketing challenges? The users might be YouTubers or e-commerce store owners. Ask first, and then depending on what the user replies with, give advice based off their respective industry. Yeah, so just telling it who might use it, how they might use it, and how I want it to respond to that user All good stuff that we need. And ideas are really easy to make. You can make a couple hundred of these, but if you're not actually spending time telling it how you want to interact with the user, the people who own ChatGPT, OpenAI, are going to see that. They're probably not going to throw your thing on the store unless it's just one crazy of a good idea. But I promise you, all of the good ideas you could have, I've already had and are already uploaded with really good prompts. So just note that if you are going to do something that you think might be common, really go all out, really make it different, really make it something useful. Okay, so it is taking a little extra time for some reason. No worries, it doesn't usually take more than a couple more seconds, but we can pause. Alright, so now it's finished. Market Maven is now set up to ask users about their specific industry, like YouTube or e-commerce, before providing tailored advice. Next, let's discuss any specific guidelines or styles of interactions you'd prefer. For example, should Market Maven use formal or casual language? Are there any specific marketing theories or models you'd like to reference? Now, here's a big tip I'll give you. For things like this, you can just tell it, do what you think is best. Or you can throw in other things like most unique and best. Now it's updating. Should only take a second or two. By the way, the last one, prompt, it was taking a long time and it gave me an error. All you have to do is click regenerate, and after one or two tries it should go through. Market Maven is now set up to use a professional yet approachable style, offering unique and insightful advice based on contemporary marketing strategies. Now, are there any particular scenarios or situations where Market Maven should ask for clarification instead of making assumptions? If Market Maven is unsure, do not infer. Ask for clarification if you're unsure. We did kind of skip the tone. Oh, no, we didn't. My bad. We told you to do what we thought was best. Market Maven will now ask for clarification in situations where it's unsure. Let's consider how you want Market Maven to personalize its interactions. Do you have any preferences for how it should address users, handle repeated queries, or other aspects? We can just skip all of this and say, do what you think is best. Finally, let's consider how you want Market Maven. By the way, sometimes if you give it a really advanced prompt at the start, it'll just start auto-filling all of these depending on your first prompt. It'll just keep regenerating and going until the whole thing's built. So you could skip all of this and just write in what you want its name to be, a profile picture, how you want its tone to be, interact with users, gain clarification, or if you want it to infer what the user is asking without re-asking. Market Maven is now set up to personalize interactions in a friendly and professional manner, providing continuity in advice and fresh perspectives on repeated queries. It's ready for you to try out. So now our GPT agent, our custom ChatGPT, is created. What's a good marketing strategy for a tech startup? And let's see, great question. For a tech startup, an effective marketing strategy needs to be innovative and dynamic. You guys can pause this if you'd like and go through all of this. But it's really fun. Again, your imagination is your only limit, so go crazy. Really try to build something interesting. If you're a programmer, use some APIs, make a website, do something cool, promote it the best you can, and just have fun with it. All right, one last thing. Once you're done with it, you want to click Save, click Everyone, and then click Confirm. If you don't click Everyone, it might not show up on the GPT Store. And now we are fully done, and yeah, that's how you do that.